we will need 2 to 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar, a quarter cup of cream, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, a quarter cup of liquid glucose. You can also use corn syrup if you wish, 2 tablespoons of butter. I am using unsalted butter. You can also use normal salted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of agar or china grass, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. So let us start making it. Add in your agar to the cream, and we are going to soak this for about 10 minutes. Our agar has bloomed. Now let's activate it. Here I have a pan in medium flame. I'm going to drop this in. Now I'm going to cook this in low flame until everything is well dissolved and no traces are seen. Make sure you cook this agar in very low flame, otherwise you will have your cream evaporated and your agar undissolved. So my agar is well dissolved, you can see no more traces. So I'm going to transfer this into our bowl. Make sure to get every bit out of it. I'm going to add in my butter. Now mix this both well. In comes the salt. Omit the salt if you are using salted butter, glycerin, and our glucose. Now beat this well. So my mixture is well beaten. Don't keep this mixture for quite long, otherwise it will set up. So that is the reason behind some lumps there, but nothing happens. We are going to knead that really well. I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of sugar to this. Now take your hands and mix everything really well. So it is kind of paste right now. I'm going to add in rest of the sugar. Now mix everything well and add sugar if you need it. Our mixture has clumped together. Now transfer it to a surface. Now I'm going to knead this. The fondant is quite soft right now. It actually depends upon the weather. How is it? So we are going to take about half more cup of sugar to this. Incorporate the sugar by kneading it really well for about 5 minutes. So our fondant is well kneaded now. Now I'm going to rest this overnight in the refrigerator. So you need some cling film for this. So I've double wrapped our fondant in the cling film. Now this goes into the refrigerator overnight in a Ziploc bag. Our fondant has rested for a couple of hours. Now we are going to unwrap the cling film. Now spread some corn flour on your working surface and start kneading it. Look at this, unlike regular fondant, this is so soft and nice, pliable and very good. You'll have a very good time rolling this. Now I'm going to divide some portions. To color the fondant, you need to use either normal gel colors or the powder colors. I'm using this powder colors today. These are very easily available. Now I'm going to mix all this through. You will have stained hands, so you can wear gloves if you wish. Whenever you feel your fondant is going sticky, you can sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar or corn flour. So I have achieved this orangish color. I'm going to add some more color to this. So I have achieved a pretty nice color. Now I'm going to color my another part of the fondant. Gel paste colors are more accurate and vibrant, so I'm using this gel paste colors this time.